Hi guys, in the last tutorial we looked at how to filter record using not equals. So let's select all from our favorite employees table. So select star from employees. So if I do a select star, it's returning all the record. So what we want is we only want to see um, where gender is not equals male, right? So we only want to see where gender is male. So what I can do is to say select star from employees where gender not equals male, right? So we looked at this in the previous tutorial where gender not equals male and we're going to have all female. This is how to validate your query. So I showed us how we can use this as well. It means the same thing. So this means where gender not equals male. So there's one more I want to show you today, which means the same thing. You can say where not gender equals male. So that means you can use any of those three. See, it's still giving us the same thing. I can say where not region ID equals 4. Because if you come to the region ID column, you see we have 4, 3. So that what I'm saying here is I want to see all employees apart from those working in region 4. So if I want to validate my output, I come to this region ID field and check if I have 4. Okay, see, if you look through this, as a matter of fact, we have 863 records. So it's less than 1,000. You're not going to see 4 in this region ID. So you can use any of those three. So quickly, I want to show us another relational operator, and that is greater than. So let's say I want to see all employees earning salary greater than 100,000. Okay, so I can say select star from employees where don't forget that whatever you want to use to filter is the name of your column. So I want to use this column salary to filter this record. So I can say where salary greater than 100. So I can do this. Now we have 419 records. So we have 419 employees earning salary greater than 100K. And if you come to this salary column and check all through to the bottom, you see there won't be any employee any less than 100 because you specify the condition where salary greater than 100. So I can do the same thing for less than as well. Say where salary less than 100. Then I run. You see, here you're not going to find we have 581 employees earning salary less than 100. So if you want to validate this output, all you need to do is to come to the salary column and check it from top to the bottom. You find out we have no employee that is earning over 100 because we have a condition specified here, less than 100. Okay, and I can say maybe less than or equals to, let's say this guy 77173. So I can say where salary less than or equals to this guy or less than or equals to 100K. I can put this. So what I'm saying here is I want a salary that is either less than 100k or equals to 100k. It must not be over 100k. That's what less than. If I do less than, everything I'm going to see here will be less than 100. Okay, I can't see any 100. But if I say less than or equals to 100, that means if I have any employee earning a salary of 100k, it's still going to be part of the results. Let's um, let's use this so that it makes sense to you. See, this guy is earning 91,608. So let's use that salary. 91,608. So if I say less than 91,608, I'm not expecting to see 91,608 in my output because I said less than. So let's see what we have. You see, 91,608. No, no 91,608. We don't have it. But the moment I say less than or equals to, so it means I can have salary less than 91,608, and I can also have salary equals to 91,608. That's what this means. Okay, let's um, let's order this. Okay, here you see 91,608 is either is less than or is equals to. Now, in order to see this, I can order my results, but we're going to look at ordering, how to use order to order a result in another tutorial. So I can do the same thing for greater than. Can say where salary. Now let's check through this salary column. I don't think we have anyone earning over 300k. No such salary. So let's say greater than 200. Let's see if we have anyone earning this salary. No one. No one is earning greater than 200. But if I say maybe 150, let's see if we have anyone 150. Now we have 121 employees earning greater than 150. What if we increase this to 160? 165. Let's do 165. So you see, we have 5 employees out of 1,000 employees earning salary greater than 165. Okay, so and same way I can do this, greater than or equals to. So what I'm saying is any salary that is equal to 165,500 or greater than 165,500 is what I want to see. Okay, so it's giving us the same results. And if I specify any of these greater than 166, 569. So let's do 166, 569 just to show you. So if I say greater than this, 166, 569, of course this is greater, so or equals to this. Let's see what we have. So we have 166, 569 because I said greater than or equals to. So is either you pick this and any other salary that is greater than this. But if I change this to just greater than 166, 569, we're not going to see this output again. We're not going to see this guy anymore because we are saying it has to be salary greater than this. So let's see how that works. See, we have just two, and these two are greater than 166, 569. But if I put back this, so you are saying either is greater than this or is equals to this. Those are the employees I want to see. Gives us this again. So in this tutorial, we've looked at how to use greater than or greater than, less than, and I've also shown you how to use where not. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we're going to continue building on our knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.